Hey guys, MicroDev here. Today we are going to learn how to create menus and submenus in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, log into your admin dashboard and go to the Appearance tab and then click on Menus. So this is the page where you can create your first menu. So first of all, give a name to the menu. Now choose where you want to display this menu. So I am going to choose here main. Click on the create menu. So as you can see here that main menu is created, and now you can add item to this menu. You can add various items to your menu like pages, post, custom link and categories. Here you will see that menu icon setting. This setting is came from the theme. If you are not seeing this, then don't worry about it. For adding the items to menu, just select the page and click on the add to menu. You can see that sample page is added to this menu, and for post you can just open it and similarly just select it and add to menu. You can also add custom link. So let's say I want to add MicroDev. Just click on the add to menu and you can see that custom link is added to this menu. So if you want to add a non-clickable menu, in the URL field just fill hash and enter the link text whatever you want. You can also add categories. So just select the categories which you want to add and click on the add to menu. Click on the save menu button and this menu will be saved. So just visit your site to check this implemented or not. As you can see that menu has been created. Now I want to create a sub menu under this WordPress tutorial. So just go to your menu and arrange these under the main menu. Hold the menu and do like this. As you can see, there is an indent here. So this shows that WordPress tutorial and deals are the subcategories of this tutorial category. So click on the same menu. Now visit your site, refresh, and you can see that WordPress tutorial and deal are the sub menu of tutorial menu. Now if you want to remove any item from the menu, just open the item. Let's say I want to remove this MicroDev. Open this and you can see here the remove button. Click on it and it will gone. Click on save menu. Visit your site and refresh it. You can see that MicroDev is gone. So in this way you can create a menu, sub menu and non-clickable menu. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.